guys, so today I'll be sharing with you how I created this homeschool area in my home. So I have a incoming first grader and VPK student for this upcoming school year. So this is my kitchen nook area, and I decided that this will be the space that I use because I really don't have a table here for eating, so this is the space. So these are the Ikea linen desk. They belong to my sister, and so I decided to just use them since she was no longer using them. And I just picked up some basic materials from Walmart and Michael's, and I also got some items from Amazon as well. I will be creating a calendar, and so I am using this particular trifold board from Michael's, and this is the exact size that I'll be using. And Michael's have some pretty good things. I was pretty surprised to see how many items they have for you to, create a homeschool space, and they're very, very affordable. So I'm just showing you guys some of the prices of some of the things that you can purchase and you can use in your home to make the space that you're creating for your child. A lot of the items are like 99 cents, $4.99. These are poster boards that you can use as a backdrop for your calendar. I didn't need to use it, so I didn't purchase it. But you have posters, you have different signs that you can hang around in your room for your child. So yeah, take a look. Okay, so these are the items that I purchased from Michael's, and I really didn't spend a lot. If you use one of their 20% off coupons, you can really get a good deal on these items. So I'm going to go ahead and move the items that I'm not going to work with right now and go ahead and start working on the calendar. So this poster board was a little bit damaged, but I didn't really care. It's okay. So just be careful when you're purchasing your poster board. Make sure that it's not falling apart. So I was still okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the border around the poster board. So I really like this calendar. It's very colorful, it's very bright. I like the colors, and so yeah, it fit the trifold board perfectly. So I'm just using double-sided tape to tape the border around the poster board. I'm using adhesive hook and loop dots, so that's going to make it easier for us to update the calendar, and so I will be using that, and then once I laminate the actual number cards, I will then add them to the back of those as well. So when we do activities on the floor, I picked up a mat from Ross, $9.99, so great deal. Okay, so this is what the board is looking like right now. I do plan on adding a few more items on there. So things such as, sight words, just anything that is going to help me with like, rules, expectations, things like that, because I am literally transforming this to be a homeschool area. So I will be using the outside areas to put things like that. I purchased these laminating pouches from Amazon. It was a great deal. I got 220 pouches. So yeah, and then I'm using the Scotch laminator machine. So very inexpensive. And I got this one from Walmart. The one at Michael's was very expensive, so get it from Walmart. So I created this behavior chart with Canva. I went to Office Max to get it printed because I don't have a color printer, and I also had them to laminate it for me, and as you can see, I just trimmed off the edges for a cleaner look and have space for me to use the clothespins to move up and down the chart. Okay, so now I am getting ready to put the whiteboards up onto the wall, and I got 2 whiteboards and I got them from Amazon. And the Dollar Tree will be your best friend as well. So they have lots of, little things as well that you can purchase for $1. Okay, so don't forget to stop by your local Dollar Tree as well. Okay, so this is what the space looks like now. I did create a schedule so my kids know exactly what is going on. I created different sections and areas in the kitchen nook, such as their headphone space. They know exactly where to put their headphones, their pencils, they have crayon boxes, they know exactly where everything goes. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, this video. And so yeah, so if you have any questions as to where I purchased a few items, please let me know in the comments and I'll respond to let you know where I purchased it from. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.